Welcome to Artek. Today we're going to talk about integrating the MaxxAir Fan into the Garmin Core System. You'll notice on the MaxxAir Fan that there are two sets of cables coming from the MaxxAir Fan board. One set for CAN communication and one set for power. For CAN communication, we recommend using the MiniFit to bare wire adapter. This will alleviate any stress put on connections connecting from the communication cables coming from the MaxxAir Fan to the RVC cable connected to the RVC multi-tap. The second set of cables are red and blue, and those will be your power and ground. If you're installing more than one MaxxAir Fan in your system, you're going to have to set the device instance ID numbers via the dip switches on each MaxxAir Fan board. By default, the MaxxAir Fan comes set at instance ID number 1, which is dip switch 1 and dip switch 2 turned off. For a second MaxxAir Fan, that'll be instance ID number 2, which is dip switch 1 on, dip switch 2 off. For a third, dip switch 1 off, dip switch 2 on, and for a fourth, dip switch 1 on and dip switch 2 on. Thanks for watching our integration for the MaxxAir Fan. If you have any questions, please contact our staff. And as always, we will include any applicable links in the description below.